Hey, it's you crawler fanatics again. Just thought I'd give you a quick rundown of how the old Bells Rapids Bridge is. One of my favourite spots to come. I know some of you guys are wondering what's up with it, so here you go. Just got the back of the bridge here. All looks in good condition. We can walk on it now. There's no burnt bits or anything like that. Looks like it did actually come right underneath here. It's all burnt here underneath. It's all burnt over there. And you can see on the other side, I'll take you over there, but it's burnt fully up to the other side and a little bit underneath as well. So yeah, we're very lucky to still have this awesome bridge and to be able to come here and access some cool RC tracks. RC tracks? Just some cool rocks. They're all RC tracks. Lucky for you guys, rocks can't catch on fire, so they've done pretty good for themselves, I think. You can see here it's bent right up to these trees here from the top and all the way around, down the other side, even right down here. Pretty jolly close to being under that bridge, tell you what. This bit here as well, not even half a metre. I mean, that less than half a metre, that one actually caught on fire, so technically the bridge was on fire for just a little bit. You can see here that the fire burnt all the way up to the car park pretty much. Hey Liam, you glad the bridge didn't burn down?
Yeah, me neither. I would be shocked if it did.